Hello everyone, very welcome to Exam Before 50% faster preparation for all your job related exams. My name is Chandra Prakash Joshi and in this video series on RBI annual report, I am going to tell you very interesting points today, and these are going to first help you in your overall understanding of how RBI works. Secondly, when you write your descriptive answers, that will definitely give you more clarity. I am going to tell you some numbers. These numbers will not be asked in the exam mostly. But once you understand how RBI operates, what is the relationship of RBI with other financial institutions, with Government of India and state government, how RBI earns, how RBI spends and transfer the remaining surplus to the Government of India, the owner of the Reserve Bank, your understanding of working of RBI, working of the monetary policy and coordination with the fiscal policy becomes better. Coming to this 10 lakh crore which is there in the RBI balance sheet, whose money is this? I am going to tell you, but if you have any other question related to RBI grade B preparation, please feel free to reach to us at 920-5524-028. You can SMS, you can WhatsApp, you can call. If you want to write an email, please write at hello@examb.com. This is 10.25 lakh crore. The deposit of the banks, I am going to tell you. Banks maintain balance in their current account with the Reserve Bank of India to provide CRR requirements and for working funds to meet payment and settlement obligation. Deposit held by banks increased by 10.21% to 10.25 lakh crore as on March 2024 because of the increase in the NDTL, net demand and time liabilities of the bank. One of the most important function of a central bank is banker to the bank. So RBI is the banker to the bank. I have repeated many times, when you start working with RBI, still your account will not be opened there. RBI staff salary account gets also opened in some commercial bank, because RBI is bank only for the government, both central government and state governments, and for financial institutions, for banks here primarily. So what happens, you know about the CRR requirement, cash reserve ratio requirement, that is if a bank has total 1 lakh crore of the deposit, 4% of it the bank has to mandatorily by the law has to keep with RBI, which will become 4,000 crore in this case, and RBI will pay zero interest on that. That is kept by RBI completely interest free. This is to provide liquidity support to the banking system, cash reserve requirement, and that also becomes a monetary tool. If you see this amount here, so this is the increase in the net demand and time liabilities of the bank. The most important component of this NDTL is basically the deposit which lies with this bank, because the deposit base is increasing, the requirement of CRR is increasing, the amount of cash held with the Reserve Bank of India is increasing. Other than that, as mentioned in the paragraph, there is an operational requirement for payment of the interbank transactions and also for payment and settlement, whether it is NEFT transactions or any other among the bank. So this account is maintained with RBI current account. This is a simple current account as it happens for any company in any bank. RBI opens it for all banks. For this there is a department called banking department in RBI, and in banking department also there is a deposit account department, DAD, right? So there is a deposit account department where these transactions are done. There is a 10% increase in the balance in this account, and this is the most important things to understand today. Fact number 5 video is coming very soon. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it right away. We are the only platform that helps you preparing 50% faster, and don't forget to download the app. You get daily quiz and complete access to the course including video and live classes on. You have any question related to career guidance, related to preparation for RBI grade B, ask in the comment. Utilize this opportunity. If you are finding these videos helpful, like it, share it. I wish you all the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.